Hello everyone, in today's informative video, we will be learning the process of adding your company for free on a freelancing platform. To begin with, you need to visit the official website. Once you have reached there, you must log in using your employee account credentials. In case you do not possess an employee account, it is necessary to create one initially. If you encounter any difficulties while creating it, there is a helpful video linked in the description and you can watch the complete playlist there. The flow is established here without any cost. Once the account is created, what you need to do is quite straightforward. Move your mouse pointer to this area and you will observe numerous options. Just need to click here. Regarding the company, I just click on the company. Upon clicking, an option emerges in front of me to add a new company, so I just click on it. Click. After that, we need to submit some details about our company, like basic information. It is relatively uncomplicated. I merely input my company's name in a simple and straightforward manner. Essentially, today I am intending to incorporate an agency here, so I will duplicate the agency's name. After duplicating, I will effortlessly paste it here. Once it is pasted, I need to select the appropriate category that my agency or company falls under. In this box, I will simply click, and since it is a digital marketing agency, I will choose that specific option. Subsequently, they inform you that you have the option to input your company's profile URL in this section, and they have provided a specific format for the URL. The format specifies that all the letters must be in lowercase and there should be absolutely no spaces. I will proceed to manually type it in this area. I will type it in a manner that, after typing, it transforms into my URL. You are required to input some text, ensuring there are no spaces in between. Subsequently, you need to compose a description about your company, detailing what your company is, its functions, the number of employees it has, and all those relevant details can be included here. After entering this information, if you wish to incorporate any links, you can add them in the linking section as well. And if I proceed downwards to input my website's domain, if you possess the domain, you can input it. Otherwise, there is no concern. For any option, if there is an asterisk adjacent to it, it's obligatory to complete it. Otherwise, you can omit the rest. So, straightforwardly, we'll now input the domain of our website. So, I'll replicate the domain. I've input it here, and subsequent to inputting, it inquires when your company was established. So, you choose the year here, and I'll straightforwardly select it. I have selected it and determined the size of my company. So, I need to select the size here. My company size is such that 10 to 50 employees work there. So, what will I simply do here? I will select it. After doing this, you need to add some media, like your company's logo, etc. You can add it, and the profile of the company that will be visible here, its background cover will also need to be added. So, simply, I will upload the logo by going to the upload section. After going there, I've uploaded the logo here. You can see the logo on this side and also preview how it will look here on the side, right? And here we will also add the cover photo. So by clicking on click here, I will add the cover photo. Alright, and the size of this cover photo is also mentioned here. It should be of this size so that it appears correctly. Alright, and the size of this image should not be more than 10 MB. Otherwise, your file will not upload. Then next, if your company has any social network, you should add it here. Like we will add Twitter now. So simply I will copy the Twitter link. After copying, I will proceed to add it. Subsequently, we shall incorporate the LinkedIn profile link. I will copy the LinkedIn link from this location and proceed to add it. Following that, we need to include Facebook. So I will also add my Facebook page here. The next one is Instagram. There is an option available for Instagram here. So I will copy and add that as well. In addition to this, if you possess any other social media accounts, you can click on add more and include them by entering their respective URLs. Then you have the option to input your company's geographical location at this point. So I will proceed by clicking here. Upon clicking, you are able to directly search for your specific location here. Alright. So mine is on this location. So I've added it here. After adding, you need to go down. Alright. After going down, it tells you to add a gallery. What is a gallery? If your company has any images like an employee working in the company or any office tour images, you can add those. And here you can upload a maximum of 6 images and the size of each image should not exceed 10 MB. So simply I will click here and upload the images. I will upload the images. I have successfully updated the Simply 6 images in this section. Once you have completed that, if there is any video available, such as an introductory video about your company, which viewers can watch to gain an understanding of what occurs within your company, you can place its URL in this field. In my opinion, this is the appropriate video, so I will proceed to copy this video link here. I will add its link, and please note that only YouTube links are supported in this context, so you can exclusively use a YouTube video link here. After completing the addition, kindly verify once to ensure that everything is in order, and then you may proceed to publish your company. After clicking on public, your company gets published. Then the ad for your new company and the section is further down. What can you do? By clicking on this, you can add your ad to more companies. And if I click on the three dots here, you can edit the details of this company again or delete this company. So these are the only options and it's very easy to manage. I hope you like the video. If you have any issues, please comment below the video and I will definitely reply. Thank you.